Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do another easy floral project with fluid acrylics. I will apply a little bit of white, and this is pearl white mixture on my two 8x8-inch canvases. Paints for today are mixed with glue pouring medium. This means 70% PVA glue to 30% water. And then I mix 1:1 ratio paint to my pouring medium. And for the colors I will use some greens today for the grass, springy greens kind of. I love those shades. They are Pebeo green earth and chrome green, I believe. And I have some 24K gold, I have some Bordeaux red, magenta, and for the blues I believe I have ultramarine blue and probably cyan blue. And I did add a little bit of black here and there just for some shading, or how can I say. And even though that I didn't did a big dots, the flowers came quite big, especially the blue ones. So yeah, how much paint you apply on your dots where your flowers, you want your flowers to be. So you see here I'm just drizzling a little bit of gold all around just randomly. So I'm just in that moment, it's not that I planned everything exactly what I did, because my intuition always guide me a little bit off the plan, or how can I say. So yeah, you have to have fun and follow your intuition with acrylic pouring to fluid art in all techniques, I believe so, because it's just if you don't try, you don't know. So you can predict to some level, but you can't. You just have to go with it. So yeah, I basically did that. Oh, and I have sky blue light, I see now, and Prussian blue, and ultramarine blue, obviously, after that. Sorry, I'm doing voiceover because it was just such a beautiful day, and I just want to listen to birds singing outside and playing with paint. So that's why I explain the process now, like in voiceover. So yeah, dip them together and spread them apart. And then I did a little bit of touch up on the bottom. This time I dipped them just once and it was just nice. Now that I watch, I see why the blue was so predominant, because I did 3 dots just so close together. Yeah, definitely should have done maybe a little differently. So yeah, now I will just stop talking and let you enjoy. So here they are dry. I love them. I like how this gold shines. I wish that this blue, probably it was too much blue here, or I pressed a little too much. But I like how the greenery look. It's kind of a watercolory almost. So yeah, I'm really happy with those two. And they are so easy to create. Tell me what you think about these two. And see this canvas here, cheap canvas. And see you again on the next one. Bye.